everyone, it's Marky. Let's talk about the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. I bought this because I do like to wear waterproof mascara, waterproof makeup, and this helps remove it so easily. It comes in a 13.5 ounce bottle. It's alcohol-free, oil-free. I have sensitive skin and this hasn't affected my skin at all. So it's really great if you're someone who maybe gets red or irritated when you use certain products. This hasn't done that at all. It is unscented also. I like to use it by just putting it on a cotton pad and I will wet it with the micellar water and then I will hold it on my eye or wherever I need it for just a couple seconds and then just wipe it away. It removes it really easily. You don't have to rub, you don't have to scrub. I also wear false eyelashes often and this helps remove the glue. If you're somebody who wears those, you know that that glue can get stuck in your eyelashes so easily and it's really hard to get out. This does wonders for me. And if you are in the market for something that would take off your waterproof makeup, maybe you wear eyelashes, maybe you just want to really quickly get your makeup off easily without bothering your skin, I would highly recommend this product. And I hope this was helpful. Thank you.